Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can scalp boom and crash index on the lower time frames. Okay, but before we look at the lower time frames, let's look at what has happened on the higher time frames. I'm on boom 1000 index daily chart, and boom 1000 index has been on a bearish trend for some time. Now we have something like a breakout around here, and then we can see the bulls trying to push price up. Just one, two, three, four candles is able to um, surpass the initial several bearish candles on the left. Now we have something like a triangle on the daily time frame, something like a triangle, and we'll possibly look out for a breakout of this triangle. Is price is the boom 1000 index price, is it going to break to the downside, or is it going to break to the upside of this very triangle? Only time will tell. But for now, we are looking at a possible reversal to the downside for the overall trend to continue. But I might be wrong. Price could just break up the triangle and then start to go up. All right, but the overall trend on the daily time frame is still bearish. Now, for the 4-hour time frame, we can see a range. Price in the range. Look at the triangle. Price in the range, and we'll be waiting for a breakout of this range. Although the bears are in charge for now, and we have like a support around here, a break of this support. I'm talking about the 9576 support area. A break of this support, which is likely very soon, will lead to further downside of the boom 1000 index price. If the boom 1000 index price is going to drop, if it breaks the support, the immediate support is going to come to 9520 area. A break of that, we have another block around here. We have other block around here, which is the 9250 area. That is if it drops. Okay, but for now, if it starts to spike up, we have this other block that must serve as resistance. This particular other block here at the 9670 area. We also have another other block at the top somewhere around here. This is another other block. That's the 9730 area. Then we also have another other block at this point. That's the 9815 area. So that's that for boom 1000 index on the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, what do we have? You can see the bears coming in, and the bears are pushing price down. Now, as the price drops and slides, there's this other block around here, the 9570 other block. Price is going to get to this other block. As soon as it gets to this other block, two things might likely happen. Either it comes to this other block and test it, then go back up, or it continues to break it and drops for the bearish trend to continue. But on the screen, we can see price has formed a low here, high here, a lower, higher low here, lower high. Then we have a lower low, lower high, lower low. Of course, this is a higher high. This high is higher than this high, and of course, we might see another lower low. So more like the liquidity around there has been swept. Okay, you can see the liquidity grab around here, and prices going down. Okay, so that's that on the 1-hour time frame. So it's bearish on the 1-hour time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame, what do we have? We have a range on the 30 minutes time frame. This is the range top. These are range top on the 30 minutes time frame, and this is the range, and this is the range bottom. This is the range bottom on the 30 minutes time frame. Of course, prices are dropping towards the range bottom. On the 30 minutes time frame, we have this other block that's going to serve as support for price. Look at this other block. It's going to serve as support for price. Price could test the other block and start to spike up. We need to monitor this, and price could just break the other block and then continue its downward movement. Let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. We can see a double top on the 15 minutes. Boom 1000 index double top on the 15 minutes time frame, and price is currently going down. The bears are in control. Look at the break of the neckline of the double top. Okay, look at what happened. Price continues to aim for this other block around here. We have this other block, this support around here. Price is aiming for that other block. Price could get to that other block, drop to the other block, and then bounce. So that it drops to this other block and bounce, or gets to the other block, breaks it, and continues way down. So it's bearish for now. Look for selling opportunities. Although when you sell boom 1000 index, it's quite risky, it's quite critical, it's quite dicey in the sense that as you start to sell, price could just spike up and find support and start to push your account into drawdown. But if you like trading against the spike, you might look at selling boom 1000 index on the 15 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that price continues to drop. Boom 1000 index price continues to drop. You can see more bearish price, more like a retracement of this up move. Okay, let's see how far price has retraced. Let's see. What do we have here? Price has retraced more than 618%. So it's already turning into a reversal. Okay, and we have this other block around here. There's this other block on the 5 minutes time frame around here. This other block will serve as support for price, but if it fails, price will get to the bottom. All right, so just look for selling opportunities on the 5 minutes time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, price continues to dip. Boom 1000 index price continues to dip and is going down. So look for selling opportunities. Let's look at crash 1000 index daily time frame. This crash 1000 index on the daily time frame, and you can see that crash 1000 index has been bullish. Continue to print higher highs, continue to go up, all-time high. You can see it's at the top. It's already at the top resistance here, and it might possibly break that resistance. Looking at the candles, the candlestick formation around here, the bulls are in control of the daily time frame. Look for more buying opportunities, but be cautious because price is already at the top, at the resistance area on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, price is off. Crash 1000 index has been bullish. Been buying with little resistance from the sellers. It's been buying. On the 4-hour time frame, still bullish. Look at still bullish. On the 30 minutes time frame is bullish, though we start to see spike on the 30 minutes time frame. But look at the spike or the pullback compared to look at this pullback compared to what we have on the screen. We might start to see reversal or retracement from this point. But if the price is going to retrace, we will have this. The sellers will have this ascending trend line to contend with. Okay, so price might drop to this trend line for it to continue its direction up, or if it drops and breaks the trend line, we might start to see retracement, further retracement, then possibly reversal. All right, that's that on the 30 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, what do we have? It's bullish, currently bullish, but we are seeing something like a double top, a tiny bit of a double top. This top here is another top here. Okay, so we might want to wait for price to break the neckline for us to start to sell. But for now, the overall trend is bullish. Okay, it's bullish, and we are still on the 15 minutes time frame. We might draw our trend line. Okay, for us to have something like a triangle formation. Look at this. A break of this triangle can tell us the direction where price may head, but possibly price might go up. On the 5 minutes time frame, you can see range price at the range bottom of crash 1000 index. Price at currently at the range bottom. Okay, and we can see the spikes forming. So let's wait for the range breakup. But if the range break to the downside, you have to be cautious because the overall trend is bullish. You might want to wait for the downtrend movement to peak strength or momentum before you jump to sell. But for now, the overall trend is bullish. So wait for buying opportunities. If you want to wait for buying opportunities, you might wait for price to break above this high and then break above the overall high before you start to buy further. Okay, but if you are selling, price might test this other block. There's this other block here. Price already almost getting there. The price might test this other block as well. It's almost getting there. So those are the points where you might have your take profit if you are selling a spike as a crash 1000 index. On the 1 minute time frame, you can see this range. Price is ranging. On the 1 minute time frame, price is ranging. So we might wait for range breakout for you to consider buying or selling. Okay, but the overall direction is bullish. Is bullish, and the strength, the momentum is high. Okay, let's look at a boom 500 index. We can see a double top playing out on boom 500 index on the daily time frame. A double top playing out, or a triple top, or let's see, we have a top around here. Let's call this a top. This is a second top. Okay, more like a double top, and price already breaking the neckline, so you might consider selling boom 500 index if you like selling against the spike that might likely go up. On the 4 hour time frame, what do we have? Boom 500, you can see like a triple top. Okay, on the 4 hour time frame, this is the first top, this is the second top, this is our second top. Okay, and this is the third top, triple top. Okay, price has already broken the neckline. The neckline is broken already, and price will most likely go down. If price is going to go down, we have this support around here, this other block around here, then we have another other block around here. So those are the points where price might likely find support. Price might find support around here, and price might find support at this other block around here. So, but for now, consider selling boom 500 index on the 4 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, what do we have? You can see a bearish trend picking up pace. Price is selling. As long as this trend line is respected, price is expected to continue to sell. Okay, with just few little spikes, do not worry about those little spikes, because price will eventually go down some more for today. On the 30 minutes time frame, you can see the bearish trend picking up pace. Continue to have lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is a high, this is a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So continue to sell boom 500 index for now. On 15 minutes time frame, at the open of today, price spiked up a bit, then start to go down. Look at this triple top around here. On the 15 minutes time frame at the start of today. Look at this top. Look at another top here, like a tree drive pattern, which is a bearish pattern in this context. Okay, look at the break of the neckline. Okay, and look at prices going down. Okay, we have a top here, but it's still going down. So consider selling boom 500 index on the 15 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, we're currently ranging. It's our range drop top on the 5 minutes time frame, and these are range bottom on the 5 minutes time frame. Boom 500 index. So allow price to break out of the range, either to the downside or to the top side, before you make your decision. But if it's going to break out to the top side, we have quite a number of resistance that might, where the sellers are waiting to push price down. This is one of the resistance area on the top side at the 3725 area. Buyers might find resistance there, where the sellers are waiting to push price down. On the 1 minute time frame, what we have, we can see that price on the 1 minute time frame is also ranging, just like what we have on the 5 minutes time frame. We are in a range, price is ranging. You might want to wait for price to find a break of the range before you jump in on the sell or on the buy. But it's advisable you jump in on the sell, because the overall trend is bearish for now. Is bearish. Okay, that's that for boom 500 index. Let's look at crash 500 index. What do we have on the daily time frame? Crash 500 index has been ranging, and the overall trend is still bearish. Okay, although it has been ranging for some time, for more than a month, like a couple of months, it's been ranging. This is a daily time frame, and it's been ranging. Look at price test, the range top, still going down. Look at the tweezer, like a tweezer, a complete reversal of a bullish move, a tweezer top, and price is respecting that tweezer top. We had a downward movement yesterday, okay, and price has continued the downward movement. The low here, the structure here has been broken, and price is still going down. Okay, we are still on crash 500 index. Let's look at crash 500 index on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we have price in a bearish trend. So the spikes have been forming and have been forming. Look at the latest spike downward. Though the bull stepped in and they are trying to push price up, but we know that it's going to go down at the end of the day. So you might look at selling crash 500 index. On the 1-hour time frame, crash 500 index is forming lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Of course, we are having a lower high here, and we expect price to spike downwards. So look for selling opportunities on the 1-hour time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, as bearish as the structure is in a channel, the bearish channels continue to spike downwards. So on the 15-minute time frame, price is trying to recover, but price is currently at this order block. So this is resistance area. We might see price poking into the resistance area a bit more. Okay, we might see price poking a bit more into this resistance area before price will drop. Okay, and if it's going to drop downward. So look for selling opportunities on crash 500 index. Okay, look at on the 5-minute time frame, we are buying, but look at this other block here on the 5-minute time frame. Look at this other block. It might serve as resistance to price. So price might test this other block and start to go down. If price is going to go down, we have another other block around here that might serve as support to price. Okay, but the overall direction on the 1-hour, on the 4-hour is bearish. Okay, on the 1-minute time frame, what do we have? Is bullish for now. We are buying. Price is buying, but it's almost at the resistance area. So you have to be cautious when you're buying, because you are trading against the spike. Once the spike starts, push your account into drawdown. So that's that for today's analysis on how to scalp boom and crash index on the lower time frames. All right, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you're yet to like the video, click the like button. Share the video to your friends and loved ones. You can drop comment, ask question below the video. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. You can click the bell button below the video for notification. You can visit our website www.binfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade boom and crash. You can also visit another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade boom and crash. Till I come your way tomorrow, is bye for now.